Technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, 3D printing, quantum computing, also termed as fourth industrial revolution technologies, are changing the way human beings are living around the world. Not only are they changing the present systems and interactions with them, they also have implications for the future. And therefore, we need to align the education system with the requirements which will arise due to the emergence of these new disruptive technologies. New competencies, new skills such as awareness about these technologies, critical thinking skills, problem solving skills, social skills, emotional skills, collaborative skills are the new requirement of citizens of the 21st century. And the education system would have to gear up and adapt to provide these to the citizens so that they can have a meaningful and fulfilling life and achieve their potential. This year has seen the unprecedented pandemic in the form of COVID 19, which has affected the globe, the citizens, and everyone. And it has also affected the education sector. I must use this occasion to recognize the effort put in by teachers, educationalists, parents, and also students who have adapted to this challenge and ensured that the learning gaps have been minimized. The Educational Policy 2020 lays a great emphasis on these technologies and also the impact they will have on the education sector. Technologies such as AI can have a lot of implications. For example, they can make available personalized learning for students so that they can learn at their own speed, which is equally good for children who are gifted or children who are falling behind their peers. It also changed the way education is delivered in classrooms and also how the teachers can organize content and deliver their lessons. All these collectively would require a lot of research and understanding and then implementing these in the classroom so that education would become much better, not only telling them or teaching students about these technologies, their impacts, their use, building up their competencies, but also enhancing the education process and experience itself for everyone. CBSE is a premier board in the country and has taken a number of pioneering steps. It partnered with Intel to introduce AI curriculum in the secondary school in 2019-20 and thereafter also developed modules on AI for the middle school. It has also, again with Intel, partnered to mentor students and build and involve students in making projects using AI. And also, along with Intel, entered into a massive faculty training program so that the teachers who would be teaching these subjects have the necessary skills. All these steps are in line with the new education policy, which seeks to bring education to the knowledge frontier and also to make it more experiential, joyful, integrated, and remove hard separation between academic, vocational, curricular, and extracurricular subjects. In this direction, a new initiative has been taken, which is to integrate AI in the curriculum of different subjects for the middle and the secondary school, which would be launched very soon. This is in line with the National Education Policy 2020, which seeks to make learning more learner-centric, interdisciplinary, discovery-oriented, and more joyful. A number of CBSE teachers have come together and developed lesson plans on AI to make AI integrated across 5 core subjects from classes 6 to 12. And these lessons plans will soon be available for students and teachers across the country. Today, it is my privilege to welcome you to this AI for Youth virtual symposium organized jointly by Intel and CBSE. It will provide a forum for students and teachers to be exposed to new technologies, become AI ready, and also have a view at a large number of projects with social impact which have been created during the time of the pandemic by students across the country. All this endeavor has been possible with the continuous guidance of the Honorable Minister and the Secretary, Ministry of Education. And we in CBSE look forward to this partnership with Intel to further build up AI readiness skills amongst the educationalist community in the country, as well as provide students with the necessary resources, tools, lessons, and other digital means to ensure that they become technology friendly, they know about these technologies and acquire the 21st century competencies, which are so prominently articulated in the national education policy.